Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Ubuntu in our VirtualBox. Okay, the first and foremost thing we do is go on new, okay, enter the name Ubuntu and select the VM folder. Okay, so let me just create it over here. So here I'm just selecting it, so whatever the configurations files are over there is gonna store on that particular folder. Okay, so select the ISO image where you have downloaded that ISO image. Okay, so I'm selecting that and uncheck this, proceed with unattended installation, click on finish. Okay, so over here click on settings and click on system. Make sure that RAM is at least minimum of 2 GB. Okay, check everything is fine, click on OK. Okay, click on start. Ignore the warnings. Try or install Ubuntu. Select this. Okay, just ignore the warnings and wait for a few seconds. Okay, English, click on next. So you need to select install Ubuntu, click on next. Automated installation, or it's an interactive installation, just leave it as default. Click on next. So it is disk and install Ubuntu, so this option is for kind of if you're doing a dual boot and you want to delete all the data which is in your drive, so in that case you can fear about your data, but here it's everything is, the data is not over there, so we can just go ahead with next. Let's say it's Muhammad and your computer's name, you can give your thing you want. I say Ubuntu itself. Okay, username I just wanted to give it as Ubuntu, and the password, okay, require my password to log in. Click on next and select the time zone which is automatically took. Click on next. Okay, install. So now it's gonna take a little lot more time, so let's just wait for it. Okay, now click on restart now and let's wait for it. Press enter. Okay, so now click on the username which you have created and enter its password. And yes, we have successfully created or installed our Ubuntu system. Skip, finish. Okay, so I'm just making it full screen. Okay, so now what we can do is we can make this as full screen. So go to devices, install guest editions. Okay, so now click on files so that we could see that there is VBox gas has been there. Open in terminal. Okay, so let me just make the font a little bit bigger and give ls. So we need to run this file. So basically we need to run this file, sudo dot slash vbox linux additions dot run. Okay, so it says that there is one thing is missing. So okay, so first and foremost thing, let's update sudo apt update. Okay, now apt upgrade, or we could just directly go to, okay, let's sudo apt upgrade yes. Okay, now everything has been updated and upgraded too. So now let's give sudo dot slash vbox linux additions dot run. Okay, still there is an bzip2 sudo apt install bzip2. I'm just gonna install it. And now let's run this. Okay, now it's automatically updating the size. Let's maximize it. Okay, so finally the screen has ended up to full screen. Okay, okay, so what we can do here, eject this. Okay, so click on here, go for terminal and add this beautiful terminal in Pennet. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in next video.